Hello, YouTube. I'm back, but with a AU video today. Today we're going to take my ideal James the Red Engine. So, let's get to his backstory, folks. James was a Fowler 3F built for the LMS in the early 20s. And I'm going to say he was a prototype for the LMS of a lower rotor pressure and smaller drivers. But he wasn't very successful, so the main class took over, and he was sold to the Northwestern. But on his first day, he had a severe accident at the Difficult Bend near Ellsbridge. Yes, the Difficult Bend is in my universe, but it's more like the CGI place where James comes off the rails than the hit version. It looks more like a CGI version where James comes off the rails there. So that's the version I'm going with. And James's front was severely damaged along with his first driver. And his cab was severely bent on the side that he fell. So he was repainted into NWR Experimental Red, inspired by the narrow gauge engines, and was given a front bogie to help on curves and bigger drivers than the main Fowler 3Fs, making him better on mixed traffic work than he was when he was first built. And he became very pompous. But after being painted into B colors, and after 2 years was repainted back to red, and then in 2003 was repainted back into the livery and actually laughing his freaking funnel safety valve off, which he actually did break his safety valve from laughing so hard. He kept it till 2012 when he was finally repainted black to red, where he is still in the livery today. And is now it's more like Alistair from Houseman Hotel between 2014 to 2020. But now, between 2020 and now, he is more like his all engines go self. So yeah, that's basically my James. And the artwork you see on screen now is made by yours truly. And the next My Idea video will be about Timothy, the ghost engine. Well, for an engine at least, because I'm going to focus more on the railways than get to the engines. So, thank you for watching.